In this latest design of a tiny cabin home, the space embraces the Japanese style concept that prioritizes simplicity, balance, and thoughtful spatial organization. The layout is meticulously arranged to create a calm and functional environment despite the limited square footage. Central to the design is the clever integration of wardrobes and cabinets along the perimeter walls. These built-ins are subtly recessed and arranged with clean lines, ensuring that the middle area remains open and unobstructed, providing residents with a flexible space for various daily activities, whether it's sitting on the floor with a low table for dining, doing yoga, or simple relaxing. The heart of this tiny home is its free-flowing central zone, inspired by the Japanese principle of the meaningful emptiness and that enhance utility and emotional comfort. By pushing storage and structural bulk to the edge, the design invites light, movement, and a sense of mental clarity. At the far end of the cabin, a loftbed is strategically positioned above the bathroom area. This vertical use space not only saves precious floor area but also subtly divides the private and functional zone without compromising opens. The loft is accessible through minimal yet sturdy ladder, and the space below houses a compact but efficient bathroom with clean finish and natural materials. This design offers a harmonious balance between privacy, functionality, and openness, all while supporting a minimalist lifestyle. By combining smart storage solutions, space-saving loft structure, and open central flow, the tiny cabin home not just livable but serene and flexible retreat tailored to the rhythm of daily life.